A group of travelers are stranded in a small country inn when the local river floods. As the bad weather continues, tensions rise amongst the travelers trapped at the inn. A traveling ronin, masterless samurai, Ihei Misawa takes it upon himself to cheer everyone up by arranging a splendid feast. Unfortunately, he has no money, and in order to pay for the feast he visits the local dojos and challenges the masters there for payment, termed in the film as prize fighting. Later, after breaking up a duel between two young retainers of the local clan, the daimyo Shigeaki is impressed by Misawa's skill and temperament. Lord Shigeaki offers Misawa employment as a sword master. Misawa has a tense interaction with the lord and his retainers, revealing his prowess at their expense. The film also shows the tender relationship he has with his wife, Teo, and provides insights into the way of life of a ronin's wife.